My name is Tunde, and today I'm going to tell you the story of how I lost 500,000 naira in one day. 500,000 naira is no joke. It is not money I earn in a month. It is money I gathered over the period of 2 years, waking up early by 5 a.m., going to work, coming back, saving month after month. And then after 2 years, I was able to gather 500,000 naira. And in one day, it was all gone. People used to tell me that, Tunde, you are very, very careful. But one cannot be too careful. In one day, I lost the 500,000 naira. I'm going to tell you how it happened. How it happened. I'm telling you not for you to feel bad, but for you to learn from it. Let's go. Pick up your phone. Yes, hello. Yes, finally. This is Tunde. Good morning, sir. Yes. Yeah. Good morning, sir. Yes, this is Tunde. I received your message about the investment opportunity. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I understand. 50% return in just 6 months. That's amazing. No, sir. I don't have any question. I trust you completely. I've had testimonials about you, about the reviews. Everyone is saying good things. Yes. Yes, sir. I'm ready to invest. How much? 500,000 naira. Perfect. That is exactly what I have saved up. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. This is going to change my life. Wow. This is going to change my life. I'm going to have 550,000 naira in 6 months. Finally, I can start my own business. I can finally breathe. Breathe in. Like they say. Wow. Best decision I've ever made. Yes, Mr. Tunde, you're welcome. I can see what you have. I can see your request. And I need to talk to you about this transaction. 500,000 naira is a lot of money, Mr. Tunde. What do you want to do with this money? That company you said I should transfer the money to, have you looked at them? Have you checked them? My findings show that company is not registered with SEC. They're not registered with CBN. And they're not fully registered with even the CAC. So I have to be honest with you. We have several cases of people sending money to companies like this, and at the end of the day, they come back to us. So I want you to think about it before I do the transfer. I'm not trying to stop you from investing, but please, have you done your due diligence? Have you done your background check? Do you know people who have withdrawn from this company before you stay? Because what I'm seeing here shows that this may not be a good investment. Have you thought about it properly? Okay. As I've said, I'm not trying to say you should not invest in this company, but you have to sign in this place for me to show that you agree to we transferring the money to that company. So it is your money. Please go ahead and sign. Yes. Just sign here. Just here. Yes. Sign here. Yeah. Thank you. Here's a pen. Okay. Please sign. Okay. Thank you. You signed. So all the best. So we'll work and do the transfer to that company now. In fact, I can see that my boys have processed it to me, and it is your money. Yes, I understand. I understand, sir. But the bank manager, he's just being cautious. He doesn't understand how these things work. You know, these bankers, they don't know much about these businesses. Yes, I understand. Yes, yes. No, sir, I'm not worried. I trust you. You've been in the business for 10 years and counting. You have offices in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Ilorin. So I'm not bothered. Look, sir, I've made up my mind. I want to invest. Let's proceed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I'll sign. Yes, I'll sign the disclaimer. No problem. I'll come to the bank tomorrow morning. What's all this? These bank people say they always want to stop progress. They don't want young people to succeed. But I'm determined to succeed. My bank manager doesn't want me to invest in this business. What does he know about investment? He's just a banker. Collect money, I keep my money with you, I withdraw it. I'm going to go ahead and invest. In 6 months, I'll be rich. And they'll be jealous of me. Wow. Come on, pick up your call. Pick up your call. Wow. Come on, pick up. Pick up. Hello. Good morning, sir. It's Tunde. Yes, sir. This is Tunde. I just want to check on my investment, sir. What? What do you mean? There's a delay. Sir, it's been 3 months. You said I'll start seeing returns in 90 days. Yes, you said I'll see returns in 19 days, and now nothing is showing forth yet. Market fluctuations. But you told me it is guaranteed. I understand there are market fluctuations. But sir, I need to see something, any amount. Yes, I need to see something, any amount. Just to know that my money is still safe and is still there. No, this was not what we said, sir. This was not what we said. Yes. No, sir, I don't want to wait another month. I want to see my money now. Yes, now, please. What do you mean? The system is down? Sir, this is my life savings. The system cannot be down. This is my life savings. Wow. How can the system be down? You promised me everything. Wow. This is bad. This is bad. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make any sense. Wow. Let me try their office line. Wow. No one is speaking again. Let me try again. No one is speaking. What is happening? What is happening? Wow. What have I done to myself? What have I done? Yes. How are you? Yes. I miss your calls. I saw the calls. I saw your missed calls. Yes. Yes. I told you 3 months and 90 days. That's true. But you know, this is business. I did not go as expected. So I promised you 50% in 6 months, but here we are in 3 months. Due to market irregularities, the business did not go as we expected, so the money is gone. Yes. You know, the business is high risk, and it's also, as you want to make much profit, you also prepare to make much loss. Yes, what are you saying? You want to make good money, but you don't want to lose good money. It is pari passu. Yes. Yes. Exactly. Well, what? You can go ahead and report me to the police, and by the time they drag the case here and there, I will be in London or Dubai, and you will still be where you are, Kubulex. Yes, the business did not work as expected, and your money is gone. I'm sorry. All right. I'm sorry, your money is gone, Mr. Tunde. Yes. Forget about the money. It's gone. Yeah. That was the last time I heard from him. That was the last time. 500,000 naira gone. I reported to the police. I reported to civil defense. I reported to EFCC. I reported to SEC. Do you know how many of us got our money back out of 200 people? No one got their money back. I joined WhatsApp group of all people involved, 200 of us. Nothing came out of it. The pain is not about losing the money itself. It is about the embarrassment. I couldn't tell my friends. I couldn't tell my colleagues. I couldn't tell even my wife. We had to take gari instead of rice because we couldn't afford rice. I had to borrow to pay my rent because I could not afford the rent. Why am I telling you this story today? I don't want you to repeat the same thing. I want to learn so that you don't repeat the same thing. So friends, if you are watching this video and you are thinking of investing your money, follow this prompt. Number 1, verify the company you want to invest in before you invest. Check their registration with the appropriate bodies within the country. Make sure they are properly registered. Number 2, if it sounds too good, then it cannot be true. 50% in 6 months is a huge amount. Compared with banks that are giving, even treasury bills gives 13, 14, 15% in 1 year. So somebody giving you 50% in 6 months, you have to be absolutely sure. Then number 3, when a bank manager advises you, then pay attention to what they are saying because they have seen what you have not seen because they handle money. The number 4 thing I want to tell you is that do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Money you cannot afford to lose, don't invest it. And then talk to people who, number 5 is I talk to people who have already withdrawn money from the scheme. So that is going to help you. That is my advice. I learned these lessons the hard way. I lost 500,000, so you don't have to. But you know what? I'm not bitter anymore because today I use my story to help people. I teach legitimate ways to make money online and offline. I teach businesses that actually work. And today, I'm richer than I was before I lost that money. Not because I got it back, but because I learned, I grew, I became smarter. And if you are watching this video, you are already smarter than I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you. Have you ever lost money to a scam? Or do you know anyone who has lost? The comment section below. Let's help each other learn. And if you found this video helpful, please do me 3 favors. Number 1, like this video. It helps YouTube show it to more people. Number 2, subscribe to this channel. Every week, I share real stories and practical lessons on how to make money legitimately. Number 3, share this video with someone you care about. Maybe they are about to make the same mistake I made. Save them. My name is Tunde, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay smart, stay safe, and never stop learning. Bye-bye.